Alright guys, so today we are just doing a look at, because I honestly really don't even know or have a need for this, but the guys over at I think it's drivergenius, yeah, drivergenius, this is it right here, drivergenius, reached out and asked if we'd like to try this. Now, we actually have a capture device that we are going to be looking at from them in a follow-up video, but they asked if we wanted to look at this too, and I was like, sure. I don't know how to use it or what it's for, but we're gonna take a look at the box, what comes in it, and what an RS232 serial adapter is actually for. So again, this is the box right here, USB RS232, RS232, and you can kind of see it there on the back. So at first I was like, I don't even know what this is for. So applications. So is this perfect for IT administrators looking to add legacy functionality to new notebooks? So if you want to be able to plug in the serial adapters to it, connect, monitor, and control industrial automotive sensors and equipment. So that could be actually really cool. Connect barcode scanners, receipt printers, and other point of sale devices. A whole bunch of stuff that you and I guess it's really important for those that may have older products that don't want to update to newer, like USB versions of them. Connect a satellite receiver, serial modem, PDA with serial sync, connect and program LED and digital signage boards with serial communication ports. So basically, I'm guessing that RS232 is this basically a serial port. And there's a lot of older products that a lot of companies have that don't have USB, or you may not even be able to upgrade to a newer version that is USB compatible. So having an adapter could be good. Features USB to straight through RS232 adapter, supports transfer rates of up to 920K at PBS, COM port assignment, powered by an available USB port, which is good, no external power, awesome. Provides dual buffers for upstream and downstream, remote wake up and power management, and supports automatic handshake mode. So a whole bunch of stuff that I'm like, cool. I think it's a lot of things that we just become used to with USB, but in something like this can be important. Now this here, not a bad price if you do require it, especially if it can save you from having to upgrade to a newer product that you want to connect to your new laptop or computer. Again, this is the drivergenius USB 232A-E with 9 times activity monitoring LEDs for Windows 11 and Mac OS. This is the box, and inside the box, I'm guessing you're getting an adapter. Is my guess. You're getting an adapter. So yeah, you get an adapter and you get a little manual, and it looks like a warranty card as well. And last but not least, Ziploc bag, because Ziploc bags are important, right? Let's just see. This is it here. So there's going to be your USB-C on that end, and basically, yeah, it's like a, back in the old days, we called these a 9-pin serial. So I never knew what the actual number was, but yeah, a 9-pin serial port. The nice thing is it does have like LED lights or lights on the top of it for activity monitoring and things like that, which is good. So I'm sure you guys may understand or know that need this, what those lights are for. But anything that can like verify that we are getting some data throughput, lights are good, because they're useful for you and I to actually know that something is happening. Anyways, again, it's not something that I'm going to be able to test on the channel because I have nothing that requires this, and I really don't have a need for it. So, cool for those that need it. If you are a business, I think this is probably the biggest person or demographic for this would be a company that has, like I said, older products. I did look at what is an RS232. And one of the big things they said, repair technicians may be able to use these for, it says, to perform diagnostics and service updates. Cool, I guess. if you need it, you know what it is. Driver Genius. On a side note, I use their SD card readers, Driver Genius, and the stuff seems good. It seems to work really well. So I've been pleased with it. And again, we will be hooking up a capture card from them. Probably one of the next videos coming up. You guys will see this. I'll probably set it up tomorrow. And yeah, their stuff's decent for sure. I've been very pleased with it. Nothing's failed, so that's good. And that's all. I'll put links down below where you guys can pick it up. And we'll see you guys next video. Later.